Okay, this is about using letters instead of numbers, really. It says there are n counters in his bag. He puts 3 more in the bag. Well, if n was 30, it would be 30 plus 3. If n was 1 million, it would be 1 million plus 3. So, all this is n plus 3, because n stands for anything. You could put 3 plus n, but it's better to call it n plus 3. 3 plus n would be correct, but normally we say n plus 3. Now, in the second example, Megan has 2 boxes. There are m counters in each. Well, if there's m counters in the first one, and m counters in the second one, how many m's are there? There are 2 lots of m. So it's going to be 2m, because there's 2 lots of m, and then she puts them all together in a pile and removes 5 of them. Well, remove means take away. So she's going to take away 5, so she had 2m minus 5. There you have it, 2m minus 5. Not too hard.